another Boxycharm Base Box update for you guys, as well as it's a giveaway. I'm going over some important dates for you guys, and it's not just one giveaway, but it is my birthday today. So it's a two-part giveaway. Really excited about that. So anyways, guys, happy birthday to all of my Geminis out there. And if you guys are new here, hey, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here, we always embrace the hot mess. It's a lot of Rhonda rambles. It's a little losing, getting off track, what have you, and then coming back and then making videos a lot longer than they need to be. So welcome to my channel. And fortunately, it's a judgment, drama, and stress-free zone. So hopefully you decide to stick around, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, because I'm always over here 5 days a week at 12:15. Let's go ahead and jump into some new spoilers I have for you guys. So I made sure, and I got confirmation that she was okay with me using our little DM, but Ashley reached out to me, and it was on one of my videos that I posted last week, and she's like, hey, the newest Boxycharm sneak peeks are literally underneath like your video, like it's showing. I'll pop up the picture. So she shows us one of the new items that are on here, and sure enough, she's got a screenshot of my video. It's the intro, and right underneath, Boxycharm is showing 5 full-size products in every box. You don't want to miss it. And it's showing a Laura Geller palette. You guys, this palette it's a cream to blush or cream to powder type of palette. It has a retail value of $24, and this is something that we will see as a variation in our base box for June. Now, if you are new to Boxycharm and you don't know what the base box is, the base box is a monthly subscription. It's $25 plus tax, and you receive at least $125 worth of product in here. One of those products were sneak peeked underneath my video, and it, like I said, is the Laura Geller multitasking eye, lip, and cheek palette that is cream to powder trio in shades of pink. And I do believe, being on their website, they have like maybe 2 different variations, maybe 3, but like I said, it has a retail value of $24. And a huge shout out and thank you to Ashley for paying attention to that. I didn't even notice that. Like I go back and watch my videos so I can comment to you guys, and I did not even notice that. So shout out to you, Ashley. Thank you so much for helping me out. So when I started like searching around more to see if there's anything else that may be a sneak peek for our Boxycharm base box for June, I happened to just jump on Boxycharm's website, and I found this picture that you guys are going to see over here, with it saying above it, revealing the June Boxy worth up to $245. Again, $25 plus tax box with a potential of up to $245 for June. Reactivate or activate today and unlock access to choice and add-ons on Tuesday, June 9th. We'll talk later in the video about specific dates, what they mean, all of that. Plus scroll down for a free welcome gift. So when I'm looking over this particular picture that's over here for you guys, I see a lot of things that I already talked about and told you guys, sneak peek spoilers last week, week prior, talking about Boxy Luxe and the base box, eyeshadow palettes, contour palettes, and of course there's the choice options in there. And then you see the Laura Geller blush, which again was underneath my video last week. And then there was something in there that I, for the life of me, could not figure out what it was. But you guys know I'm all over Instagram, all over Facebook, and a lot of you guys saw that, and I'll pop up the picture over here of what I'm talking about. So I was over in my little Facebook group called Boxy Spoilers, and y'all saw what I was wondering about as well. And you guys are like the bestest agents out there. You guys found it, and the guess from the Boxy Spoilers, one of the members in there, says it's a lip crown, and it is by Pop Sugar. So when I went ahead and Google searched like Beauty by Pop Sugar lip crown, this does have, it looks like maybe 4 different variations. It's a sweet stick satin matte lip. Again, this is a speculation on if it is in fact a lip crown. Has a retail value, it's showing at Ulta of $20, but it's marked down to like $5. So this is something that we may see in our Boxycharm base box. Now, if you go back and you look at that picture again, you'll also see in there the First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser body scrub with 10% AHA. Now I'm checking over on Sephora, and this does have a retail value of $28. And a little bit about it is it's a body scrub that exfoliates to reveal healthier looking skin. It's good for normal, dry, and combination skin types, and the skincare concerns on it is dryness, pores, dullness, and uneven skin texture. So really excited to see that. Now my understanding is it is going to be a variation, so you may see the Kylie skincare cleansing foam, or we're going to see this particular First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. So either or will be coming in our beauty box. So then I was looking a little bit harder, and I don't know, I'll try and like pop a picture of what I was questioning, and it is like, I think it is the Peel lip liners, which we have seen in here, so I could be wrong. It could be like the House lip liners, not for sure. Again, this is all speculation. Then there's another little liner, and a lot of you guys said you think that that is the House eyeliner, which again I think was in, like, I don't know, was it a sneak peek? I can't remember. My brain is all over the place. Like I said, this is like my third time sitting down to film this because my husband's out was cutting the grass and everything kept going off, and I'm like, seriously. So anyways guys, let me know your thoughts on this. I'm going to post the picture up over here for you guys where I have circled my questions on what that little, is it a lip liner from a Peel? Is it from House Lab? Where is it from? As well as the other one where it is an eyeliner. So then I had some people I saw over on Instagram and Facebook and what have you say that they got an email saying that they were confused right now. They got an email from Boxycharm giving them a $12 coupon for add-ons since I won't be receiving the right shade of the Purlisse BB cream in my box. I shouldn't even be getting the base box this month since I'm a Boxy Luxe subscriber. So does this mean it's going to be in the Boxy Luxe as well? Let me know down below how many of y'all got that email saying that. So it kind of makes me wonder, like, was that part of the Boxy Luxe sneak peek too? What was going on there? So let me know down below you guys' thoughts on that. Okay, so let's talk about important dates. Today is June 8th when you guys are going to see this video, and as you guys know, today is the day for add-ons. It's early access for Premium and Luxe members. If you didn't get a notification and you are a Premium and Luxe member, just go right into your Boxycharm account for that to make the add-ons. This is where you guys can get items that were in past boxes at like insane deals. I've seen everything from that honey pot that was by Pharmacy, I believe it is, that is supposed to be available. IGK hair products, the Smashbox palette, so many different things are supposed to be available for the add-ons. So jump into your account and make sure to do your add-ons. June 9th, add-ons open up for everybody. So if you are a base box member only, then on June 9th you can get in there and do your add-ons. I will tell you guys, early access to the July base box opens on Monday, June 8th for Luxe and Premium members to make your choices. So get in there and make your choices if you are a Premium or Luxe member for the base box. And I had some of you guys ask, okay, so if I'm signed up for the base box or the Luxe box, am I going to get the base box the same month that the Luxe and the base comes out? No. If you are signed up for the Boxy Luxe, the month the Boxy Luxe comes out, which is this month, you will not receive a base box because the base box is a souped up, no, let me redo that. I hear the husband coming with the weed whacker now, and I'm like, oh, he's gonna set it off again. So the month that you receive a Boxy Luxe, you will not get the base box, because the Luxe is like the souped up version of the base box. So don't expect a base box. I love him, and I'm thankful that he's out cutting the grass. Okay, he just walked past. Okay, so anyways guys, the month that the Luxe comes out, you won't be getting the base box. And I had some other questions that if I want to sign up for the Premium, do I have to sign up for the base as well? Yes, but here's how that works. Sign up, get in on the wait list for the Premium, and the month that you get off that wait list, that will be the only month that you receive the base and the Premium. If you don't want to receive both boxes after after you've gotten off the wait list, after you've already received your premium box, you can go and cancel your base box and only be receiving the premium box. So I hope that answered some questions. As well as Thursday, June 11th, that is when your premium choices open up. And definitely make sure to subscribe, because I do post in our community section, hey, it's available, it's live, go in there, make your choices, etc. There is no specific time that it opens up. I've seen it open up anywhere at like 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time to like 3 o'clock. So there's no time. Sometimes you'll get some email notifications, sometimes you won't. So that's why I always tell you guys, just make sure you subscribe, because I will be posting that, letting you guys know. And again, I try and make these videos frequently so you guys know the important dates and you don't miss out on add-ons and choices and all of that. And I will let you guys know that choices are only open for like 24 hours. So you definitely want to get in there as soon as you can, make those choices. And then my understanding is you do get a confirmation a few days later sometimes, letting you know that your choice went through. Anyways, guys, so I think that's all I have for you guys. I'm a little like flustered and all of that, but I do want to let you guys know today is a giveaway, and in this video I am going to be doing a giveaway for the Norvina palette, as well as this set from Okaland. This is going to be the giveaway over here. It's going to go for 30 days, and it's, you guys know I always keep my giveaways super simple. All you have to do is hit the like button, please. Make sure you are subscribed. Leave a comment down below. How about what you're most excited for in the June box? Any of the boxes that you get for Boxycharm. Or maybe your favorite eyeshadow palette if you're not a Boxycharm member. And leave the best way to get a hold of you, whether that be your Instagram handle or your email address, whatever it may be. Leave that down below. I will ask if you leave your Twitter or Instagram handle. You must be following me on those social medias so I can get a hold of you guys. Then that way you don't miss my message or anything. So very simple. I'll leave information in the description box for you guys as well. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway over on my Instagram, so you have to be following me over on my Instagram. I do check those. It takes me a bit, but I do check and make sure you're following me. So there will be a separate giveaway over on my Instagram as well. You guys know I've been trying to grow my Instagram following. I want the swipe up. So once you hit 10K over on Instagram, you're supposed to be able to get the little swipe up option in your stories. So help your girl out, please. Happy birthday to me. It's free. Follow me over on Instagram and Twitter, mostly just Instagram, and here on YouTube. Okay, I'm starting my rambling again, so that's all I have for you guys today. I probably left some things out. If I did, I'll pop pictures up or just break in for a special announcement. Anyways, I hope you guys are well. Happy birthday to all of my Geminis out there. Enjoy your day, enjoy your month, and until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.